Hi, this is Lavina Pinto here with you, and welcome back to my channel back again. Today we are going to talk about a topic which was questioned to me some days back by one of my friend. Actually, since I told her that I'm doing a YouTube channel also, she happened to ask me to tell me my experience as of now, no matter though she knows that I just started it recently. So I thought that's a good idea, because for me it took time to start the YouTube channel because I had a lot of mind blockages in my mind, thinking that I don't know how to do it, how I'm going to start with it, how am I going to talk, how am I going to edit it, and like a lot of questions. More importantly, how am I going to talk, how am I going to face the camera, the equipments needed, and all that. Some like lot of list of questions were there in my mind. So then I thought, maybe yes, if I could start and I could do something, even if it is like just hardly 10 videos or something of that sort, I think I should share my experience, what I felt about starting a YouTube channel. So I hope you will be learning something at least from here, and stay tuned and let's start with it. Okay, first of all, to start a YouTube channel, you don't need to worry too much. It's a free option from Google. You need to have a Gmail account with which you can start your YouTube channel. Now, for YouTube channel to start with, first you need to understand what you're going to talk. More importantly, again, as usual, what I tell for my blogging or any other side hustle, consistency is the key to start with it. First, to start with, make an plan like what you want to do. Second thing is that understand what are you going to talk. Third thing, do not focus on things which are way too complicated. Rather start with something basics that are very easy to talk. Like I started with the simple, with my life journey, my moving to Dubai. Then I started talking about my side hustle journey, which I'm little bit aware of things and everything, so do not get over worried about how, what, when and all. Just start with it. It doesn't matter how the videos are going to turn out, because initially everybody's videos are not that good or not that great as of but then eventually that's when you learn, if you are starting YouTube channel thinking that it is going to be a very smooth journey, it is not going to be, unless you're pro with the speaking confidently, facing the camera, editing, and a lot of other things. If you are pro in these things, I'm sure this is going to be like the most easiest thing for you. But if you're not, then of course you will have to practice a lot. Now, to practice a lot, what you can do is you can start making videos and keep posting it. You can start using Instagram as one of your source. If not Instagram, maybe Facebook also. If not, directly start with a YouTube channel. But first thing is make a list of things. But remember, when you start a YouTube channel, it just does not happen so easily like Instagram. Instagram has got short videos, and even if there are longer videos, there are different patterns. But here you have to create a video which has to be formatted, which has to be edited, because you just cannot put a rough data, whatever you have on your phone or something like that. So basically you will have to learn how to face the camera. Second is how to create the contents, how to speak confidently, how to edit it, and obviously posting it. Now, posting is not that complicated, because to start with you can start with the basic things itself, but as you eventually go through, you will have to do a bit of research, learn some basic things about the SEO, like keyword research and all that stuff. Well, that will take time if you are pro with something, with if you I started with the blogging journey, so I have some basic ideas about the SEO part, like keyword searching and all that stuff, though I don't use much here also, because I am just practicing these things right now. So if you are not, you can learn. There are a lot of videos on YouTube which you can start trying to read or understand or learn or whatever, but the point is, there is a lot of work involved in having a YouTube channel. So when I told my friend that I have a YouTube channel, I've just started a YouTube channel or something like that. So the first thing what she questioned me was, so when are you going to start earning? Now the point is, since I have already experience in blogging and I know how it works, I know that YouTube is also going to be almost similar. And now, because the competition is way too much, it is going to be a little more complicated than earlier. Now the thing is that about earning money, it is not going to happen just like that. It needs a lot more of efforts. More importantly, more than efforts, you need to have at least some good quantity of videos which people can start coming to view whenever whenever they come. You cannot have 1 or 2 videos and expect you will start earning from it. No, it doesn't work that way. First of all, YouTube has got their own conditions, terms and conditions, where you need to reach certain criteria of theirs, like subscribers or the so many hours have to be done completed. Only then it starts monetizing. Again, there are a lot of TNCs on that. You should be make sure that the videos are in a good quality, good condition, that there are no copyright claims, and there are a lot of stuff involved in it. So basically, I, being a blogger, I know very well, and the whole intention of my starting YouTube channel is not to earn money right away, but my reason of starting a YouTube channel is to focus on my fame that I'm looking out for. Second thing is that to build my confidence, and third thing is to explore the available options. So basically what I'm trying to tell is it's not an overnight success. So there is a long journey. I have to reach almost, like, I think I'll have to give a 1 year's time for myself and be consistent in that 1 year, and maybe then I will start earning money on YouTube. Now, if you are thinking that, YouTube is one of, like, if you see so many YouTubers, they are mentioning that they're earning so many thousands of dollars and blah, 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 things, etc., which are very fancy. Of course, that's true because they are earning must be. But just go back to their channel and check how many videos they have and what kind of contents they have. So they have worked literally hard. No one has posted just 20 videos and they have started earning some thousands of dollars or something like that. Now, if you think that YouTube channel you'll start today and they are going to be a superstar or a YouTube star or something like that, honestly, it will not happen so fast. It will happen based on your performance, what kind of contents you're giving, how attractive it is, how many audiences you can manage to keep them on your channel for a long time to watch your videos. There are a lot of things that are going to be involved in it. So it is surely not a easy way of success for sure, but a long-term journey for sure. Success is going to follow with it if you are consistent and if you really give your 100% to it. Now, YouTube is one of my side hustle, a part of my side hustle journey. So where I also teach my clients how to start a YouTube channel and how they can start continuing with making the videos and building their confidence and all that stuff, and overall monetization at some point of time. But the thing is that the question comes is, do we need to quit the job? No, for any kind of side hustles, you do not need to quit the job. All you need is a mindset that you want to do something like this. Start with it, explore it. Now, to explore it, you don't have to quit your job and give your 100% for this YouTube thing. YouTube channel can be done on after the office hours or on a weekend, like, where you can sit to do a YouTube video. Honestly, initially it took for me 2.5 hours, but now I can finish that within like maximum 1 hour, including editing for that matter, because I have an app or something like that. So it's quite easier. As you eventually start learning things, it becomes much easier, and it becomes very easier to edit or to make the videos or to speak fluently on everything, like, so you have to you don't need to quit the job to continue with the YouTube channel. Start researching when you have little time during the weekdays, and on a weekend sit and do the videos and post it accordingly on a continuous basis. Now, to do this, for the first few months, you have to give you a little extra time for the content planning and writing of the content details, so that it becomes easier for you to understand what you want to speak during the video while videoing the content. Lastly, based on my personal experience, I would like to tell you, if you are very keen in doing something, believe me, it is all going to work the way you want it. Now, the thing is that when I started my journey of side hustle, I really wanted to do a YouTube channel, and I was very keen about it. I have gone through zillions of videos. I have seen how people sit, how they talk, what kind of equipments they use, how they write the contents must be, and I followed some videos regularly, like, repeatedly, like. So basically, I have done quite enough research. I have understood also how people talk and what made them start their journey, because you see these YouTubers at the initials, everybody has gone through what I was going through, also what I'm going through for that matter. Also, editing did not be correct. You don't have big equipments. I am not using any great equipments. I just have a selfie stick. I have a iPhone camera. I've been using this iPhone for a long time now. Same one I'm using. I don't have any new gadgets or something like that. And I have the lamp which is there in our house as the bedside table. That's one I'm using for the lights, additional lights if needed, but that's off most of the time. Otherwise, it's just the space where there is little bit of brightness. Most of the time I do the videos during the daytime, so brightness is sorted out, but a better place, clean little neater place is all that I have. So basically, if you like what you want to do, or if you're so hungry to do something for yourself, then believe me, everything will work fine. If you need help, you can talk to people who are into YouTube. You can just send an email, polite email, ask them what it is. If not, you can surely do some courses. You have free courses on Udemy. You have a lot of free things on YouTube in itself. Instagram, there are a lot of YouTube creators, content creators. Those who are also, there are coaches who teach you. If you are stuck somewhere, if you really feel not able to move ahead, you can approach those coaches. They will guide you, and a lot of people are there to help you on this one. Now last comes is about the audiences. Now for audiences, all you need to do is start marketing. You can start taking help from your friends and people, so that they can start promoting it, and then eventually it has to keep growing. You have to build yourself in terms of, as I said, SEO and all this stuff, research and everything. So once you be there, I'm sure if you like it, it will happen. So to start a YouTube channel, all you need is your dedication and your consistency. If you think you have it, you can start with it. To start with it, honestly, as I said, it does not need anything. All you need is Gmail ID, and I'm sure 99% of them have it. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and start with it. If you have any doubts on this, or if you need any kind of help about YouTube channel, how to start it and how to continue with it, just drop in an email to my email ID. Email ID will be mentioned in the description below. It's queenbzone@gmail.com. And if I can answer, I will surely answer. If I cannot answer, I will guide you to some of the YouTube content creators or to the YouTube coach who will help you out. I don't know, maybe they'll charge you or not, but I will try to request them to help you if it is something really that they can help you. I hope you liked this video and hope it was helpful. If you think you liked it, even if you did not like it, do like, comments and shares. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed. This is Lavina signing off. Thank you so much.